like smoothed out?
Yeah, fiberglass resin.
Fiberglass resin.
I work in fiberglass.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
You helped him with this at all, or no? No? Oh, okay.
It's all his.
Resilient Sounds?
Yeah.
All right. You're on Team Resilient Sounds.
Yeah.
All right. Big Zach. Okay. What's your name and what I was in here?
Zach. My name's Zach Jonas. It's 2 gold 15s. The
Gold series.
Yeah,
Okay.
the 1000 Armhead.
Okay.
Shark 3500.
Yeah, where's your amp at?
Right.
Let me go look at it.
Working up a little amp rack.
That's all right. Hey, it's better than nothing, man. It works.
Yeah, I had it worked up there a little bit last night. I just ran out of time.
Okay. What's this tuned to?
36 year old.
Oh, sure. I appreciate it.
It's like 36.
Okay. You got it like smoothed out?
Yeah, fiberglass resin.
Fiberglass resin. Okay.
I work in fiberglass.
Did you do that in the inside as well?
Yeah.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. I built it and I took it to work.
Yeah.
And
oh, okay.
I work in fiberglass. We waste like a half a gallon of resin every time I do a run.
I can believe it. Really, yeah.
So I just smeared it on my box.
Okay.
Made it pretty stout.
Yeah, it looks good. How big is the box?
6 cubes. 6 215.
Okay.
That's after all the
Yeah. All right. What's your electrical like? Battery and alternator?
270 CES, I was trying to think.
Okay.
And the XP 3000 battery.
All right. Thanks, Zach.
Hey, thanks, man.
Thanks. Just make a quick video. I figured.
Yeah, no problem.
these
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.